guys, welcome to my channel. Yes guys, so I'll be telling you, on how to grow on YouTube. It took me a whole year to get to 1,000 subs. I know that it took me one whole year. It is because I don't really post that much, you know what I'm saying? And this video is not gonna be, oh, you gotta be consistent, oh, you gotta be, I don't know, but yeah, you get the gist, you know what I'm saying? But yes guys, today I'll be telling you my top 5 secrets on how to grow on YouTube. So yes guys, let's hop into the video. So starting with number 5, it is by sharing your YouTube channel to other social media platforms like Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, or even TikTok, right? I know that you guys may have friends or families in there, and I know some people personally that don't want to share their YouTube channel out there, and it's because they're shy or embarrassed that their friends or their family might talk down on them. But guys, come on, you know what I'm saying? Come on, it's okay, bruh, it's okay, you know what I'm saying? But yes guys, share it out there. You guys are gonna gain traffic, audience, and that's how you're gonna grow your YouTube channel, right? I grew to like 100 subs within less than a few days because I shared it on my other social media platform. So you guys should do it too. Don't be embarrassed and don't be shy. Now to number 4, it is quality videos, right? I'm telling you straight up, my quality may not be the best, but trust me guys, people will actually know when you put your time and your effort into like a video, you know, like quality guys, quality, trust me guys. People will actually notice, right? When like people thought that I have like a few subs, like 200, 100, people thought that my videos would be kind of but then when I show them my channel, they'll be like, oh damn, you're hella good at editing, oh my gosh, your video is like hella good, you know? So like I feel like first impression does make it does make a huge difference, you know what I'm saying? So I say post quality content, because you know, you don't really want to watch anyone who like shaking the camera like this, you know? Be like steady, be like, I mean, you don't need those fancy cameras, you know, like back in my videos, like old videos, I filmed with the iPhone 6 and an iPhone 10, and now I'm filming with the Canon SL3 or 250D. Yes guys, I say quality content because people will actually notice that you did put effort into it or not, you know what I'm saying? So quality content is like the biggest thing that people will actually notice, you know what I'm saying? So quality content over quantity, you know what I'm saying? So on to number 3, it is by putting your title like on how to or my experience, because like look, go check out my channel. My most viewed video right now, it is how to pass your permit test on the first try. I didn't even expect that video to be a hit in like this small channel, you know what I'm saying? Like 30K views right now, that's crazy, bro. Like 30,000 people, that's crazy, you know what I'm saying? So yes guys, I do truly recommend you guys to put how-to videos, my experience, and like reviews, right? Like if you guys go check out my most popular videos right now, it is like those titles only. Like that's crazy, and thank you guys, thank you, you know what I'm saying? But yes guys, let's hop into number 2. And on to number 2, it is by posting other types of content too. You know, you gotta find a different niche. I know that other people say that, oh, you gotta be in like one niche to gain like a lot of. Honestly, you don't have to be in one niche, guys. I'm telling you guys, if you guys are starting out small like me, I post a lot of stuff. I post like these types of videos, car videos, how-to videos. I post hella videos, guys. So trust me guys, post other type of content too, because you don't want to be boring. For me, I don't like being boring. I don't like being stuck in like one thing. I like to try out new things. You know, I kind of want to help out other people. So someday it may be how-to videos, someday it may be about cars, someday it may be me crying like our previous video, you know what I'm saying? But yes guys, it's crazy. Just put out a lot of content out there, different type of niches, because you know, you never know which one will be a hit. And on number 1, the thing that helped me gain subs, it is by replying and hearting all of my comments. All right guys, you guys are not too good for nobody, all right? Please reply to all of your guys' comments or heart them, because I know that it may be hard sometimes, but guys, trust me, that's how you guys are gonna gain your guys' sub. All right, you guys are not too good for nobody, all right? Even me, I'm like a regular person, I'm not too good, but I do make some time to reply to my subs or like my followers here, you know, because like they took some time to watch your videos, and you know, might as well appreciate them by replying and hearting the comment, because they do feel more connected to you and they will be loyal to you. All right, so for me, I want loyal subs. So if you want loyal subs and loyal people to like subscribe to you, make sure to do that, because they do feel more connected to you. Even though you're like talking to a camera like me, I'm talking to a camera right now, I know that I'm talking to someone behind this camera. You know, you never know. Social media is crazy. You know how many people you can reach out. So that's why I say reply to every single comment, because if you guys go check out my channel and go look at the comment, I do reply to all my comment and heart them, guys. If you don't see me heart one, dislike this video right now, you know what I'm saying? And yes guys, that's technically all. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys did got something from this. And if you guys did, smash the like button and check out my channel, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Check out my channel. If I make pretty decent content, consider subscribing, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not gonna force you guys like others saying that, oh, just subscribe for these. I know that thing does work too, but I want you guys to sub if you guys like my content. You know, make sure you guys go check it out. And by the meantime, I'll catch you guys on another video. So dream big and inspire.